the basketball. Balls is up. Time is on. Let's get it on. Let's play again some basketball. Easily. Jersey number 31. Good for 2 points.
Jersey number 20 may tangan ng bola. Nawala yung bola sa kanyang galamay at makukuha.
Dito mana sa team ng green jersey. Number 17 easily. Good for 2 points again. Back to back. Yung magandang pihitan at 4 na puntos.
Mga kaibigan,
Abalona jersey number 7 sending to the line. For a couple of shots, the first free throw by Abalona, good for 1.
yan, magiging tabla na po tayo sa 4. We are now tied at 4 points. Yung kaninang lamang ng 1 point itong team ng Raptor, abay ngayon po, lamang na po, wala nang lumalamang.
And the score po natin, we have now 5 against 4. 1 kaibigan. Dingles, 7 personal foul and 2 team fouls. The first free throw by Warrior jersey number 17, good for 1. Sa kanyang last free throw, nasa na para free throw by Indal. Intis pa rin yung pangalawang free throw. Battery loading. Bang! Good for 2 points. Biglang sumipo. May tangan ng bola. Nagmamadali patungo sa kalang front court. Sasalaksak. Bang! Good for 2 points. Sunod-sunod 31. 2 free throws para kay Batang Ricarte. Ricarte first free throw. Good for 1 by Ricarte.
Ng mga Team Terex, itong kalamangang 4 at ngayon bumababa ng 3, bababa pa yan ng 2.
Good for 2 points. Ricarte. Unang game to dito sa ating second game. Nice move. Saan ka punta? To the moon. Road trip. Boom. Good for 2 points. Number. Hindi na po nagsiseryoso itong mga player for team ng Raptor. Garcia, 1-on-1, face-to-face. Tinirahan, harap-harapan. In your face. Good for 2.
At ang Garcia, 13 against 7, lamang na po ng 6 sa kasalukuyan itong team ng Raptor. Uhuyugin yung depensa with a matching basketball net. Punit. Good for 1.
Binabati natin dyan, mga nanonood sa ating Facebook Live. First free throw by wearing jersey number 31. Good for 1 by Araw. 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time!
Tayo, at 7:30, start tayo doon sa Barangay San Rafael Covered Basketball Court. Pero ngayon, balik muna tayo sa ating second quarter as we go on.
Bang! 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 3 points! Lamang po ng 1 point itong team ng Terex. Laban po sa team ng Raptor. Jumper for 2 points. Nothing but net. Punit. Good for 2 points by Batang Jersey Ortega. Okay, 2 puntos mula kay Batang Ortega. 3 minutes and 40 seconds to go. 14 against 15. 1 point yung abante. 1 puntos muli yung abante. Tatluhan. Bang! 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 3 points! 3 minutes remaining time for the second quarter.
Isang malakas na pasa sa Igyonga. Ginawa, number 1, send it back to his teammate. Over to number 13. And 12. And 12 away. Tiradang mala James Shop. 2 puntos ang nahagilap. Good for 2 points by 5.
Sa itong silang Raptor, magkakapalitan. Pero yung ating baba puntos, hindi pa rin nagkakapalitan dahil patuloy pa rin kumakabante ng 4. First free throw.
The 3-pointer, ayaw. Jersey number 1, recovered that ball, 14 na red. Mula sa batang gitna. Basketball count. At may kasama pang foul.
Good for
1 free throw yung gagawin.
Titignan natin kung makukumpleto nitong jersey number 8 ang tumatayong captain ball or team captain. Dahil sinapang free throw, yes sir, good for 3 points.
Hanggang yung team ng Kulahan, 5 may tangan ng buko behind the back. Ganda ng pasa, ganda ng tira.
And good combi, ang magandang execution at magandang...
Dahil meron nga pong pandamunting regalo ang ating boss Bahan Mitra kung sino pong magiging kampiyon sa ating pong Intramural Meet dito sa Puerto Princesa.
Good for 2 points. Okay, kampiyon na kami na hagilap. Dalawang 3-pointer for team ng Terex.
Hindi aabot yung banat sa 3.
At isilay, bang! Good for 2 points. Magandang hapon. Magandang gabi, 3 minutes and 20 seconds to go.
Pagdating sa shoutout, maraming shooter. Pagdating sa laro, konti ang shooter. Pero ito,
Pinaka-shooter, outside jumper, bang! 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 3 points. Seconds to go.
Shoutout kay Kuching, Silver ng Bailey Boys. Shoutout kay Kuching, ay Silver ng Bailey Boys.
single.
Billy Boys.
Dahil sinapal free throw by Ortega.
Dahil sinapal free throw, good for 2 points. Kaibigan itong team ng Terex. 2 minutes for the third quarter.
Iniwan mula sa 3-point area.
Bang! 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 3 points!
1 minute and 35 seconds to go. Iikutin yung bola 14 ng pulahan. In the other side, mula sa plate ng blue. Bang! Good for 2 points. Amazing combi. Side step. Sending back with jersey number 13 over to number 8 shot. Locked down to 5. Stepping on the gas. The Filipino side step getting in. Good for 2 points for team ng dapilang putunan sa isang minuto na nakakalipas for the final period ng ating ball game. Pero yung deadlock sa 28, babasagin na yan. Connecting 2 points. Is stolen that ball, taken the ball by Raptor team. And Zamora puts it up for 2 points. Zamora, good for 2 points. Time out. Shout out din kay Annalie. First free throw, good for 1 by Woodgers. 2 minutes and 10 seconds to go. 2 minutes and 5, shot knocked down to 14. Outside jumper, boom, 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 3 points. Behind the arc cut shot, no good. But this time, number 19, the waving shot. Yun na, yung paglamang ng Terex. Lumalamang na po yung Terex mga kay Ethan. Shoutout kay Ethan, kay Papa Ethan. Magandang gabi. First free throw, good for 1 for Team Raptor. Per Sacro, magandang gabi kay Per Sacro. Ang tirador ng Bahile, last na pa free throw, good for 2 ball. Guwapo ng habitat, magandang gabi. You have 50 seconds to go. Easy layup, good for 2 balls. Yun ang pinakagwapong pukul doon. Time out rep. Yung hinahabol ng 2 puntos, 34 segundos. 34.9 seconds to go. First free throw, good for 1 by wearing jersey number seconds to go. Last in the final free throw by Zamora, jersey number 4. Zamora, we are now tied at 36 points. Mukhang 37, 36, 1.6.9 seconds remaining. Time out rep. Deadlock 37. Mukhang magkakaroon 0.9 seconds to go. 6.9 seconds to go. 37 deadlock. At nakakatalang team ng Red Shirts. It's Red Shirts. It's live.